5 to 7 feet. Tornado warning for the following county: Brevard, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for central Brevard County in east central Florida until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cocoa Beach, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Brevard County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Serving